Okay, one of the nice things that you do with computers, it's probably good for a lot of lawyers, is use a pen to control the thing. Vista has tablet support, and it's actually pretty good, but in my view, it's not nearly enough to make up for the operating system itself. So the options, once you have a Mac, there are a few options to get this done. The first is to actually buy. While Apple doesn't make a tablet edition, there is this company called Axiotron that makes something called a mod book, which is the slate version of the tablet. So you can write right on the Mac. Although you'll have to get yourself an external keyboard to use that, and they start at 2200, about 2200. So if you want to do it, if you have a Mac already and you want to keep it and you want to do it a little cheaper, I recommend using the Bamboo. I have the Bamboo Fun right now installed on my computer, and it is 99 bucks. And what you get is that you get a pen and you get a mouse that works right on the trackpad, which is nice. You never need batteries for it. And right now I'm controlling this computer, this Mac, with the pen tablet. Here's the basic Bamboo. I've tried both. I've given this away as gifts, and everyone I've given it to absolutely loves it. And once you install the pen tablet, you'll see it's right in there in System Preferences. It installs itself as a pen tablet, and it has the basic. The stylus has a button that has two ends, and one of them is to pan. You can change what each does. I have it in this case for panning and scrolling, and so I can actually go to a web page and just hold the button down and move the pen up and down, which is actually pretty nice. That's one of the things I really like about it. And then it does, and then you can, of course, you control what the mouse does, and it has the tablet itself has these has buttons on it that you can each have them do something, so you can kind of sit down and scroll and go back and forward and browse and so forth. Pop-up menu is nice too. Here again, it's another way to add uh, handy features to your Mac. So you click. For me, the mouse is when I click the center scroll wheel, the pop-up menu comes up, and then I can do all of these things. It looks like this, and then I can save things, do certain things. These are mostly things I use to help me with web development and so forth. And that's it. Now, once you have your pen, there's one thing that as because we're all using Acrobat quite often, what you can do, in addition to a range of other commenting features and so forth you have available in Acrobat, with a pen it makes it a little bit easy. It makes it easier to use the pencil feature, so you can actually write right on the right on the document. You could sign it. You could go through and you could strike out, and that sort of thing, which is a handy thing. And then of course you go back to the hand to move it around, and then you go to the pen feature and you strike things out and do that sort of stuff. So that's one. That's a little perk for Acrobat. But if you like the feel of a pen in your hand, and you kind of like that kind of functionality, I highly recommend getting a Bamboo or a Bamboo Fun, and I think that will help you get a little extra functionality on a computer and be able to use it. Well, more like using the computer will be more like it used to be. You use PDFs like paper, and you use the files on your computer like files that used to be files in your in the cabinet, and then you can also use a pen just like you used to.